In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your containers communicate with each other using Docker networking. I've got a Django container, I've got a Postgres container. We are going to use networking to make both of them communicate with each other. Let's get started, but before we do, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you. The first thing we need to do, I'm going to show you the containers that I've got. Here I've got these two containers. This is my Postgres, which is a Postgres database. I also have got my app container, which is a Django web app. To create a network in order to have them communicate with each other, we use the command docker network create, then my network. Let's call it my network. So this will be the name of the network. The network has been created. So now how do we connect them together? We use docker network connect my network. This is my Postgres. We hit enter. Then the same command. Now we are going to connect our app container. My app container. We have created both of them. Now how do we check that both are on the same network? The command to use would be docker network inspect, then the name of the network, which is my network. When you issue this command, docker network inspect my network, it's going to show us the network. Now this is the network that we created, and when we go below, we are going to find the containers. As you can see, this is my app container and this is my Postgres. This shows that both of them are under the same network. Now what we can do is to check our connection from one of the containers. Let me clear the screen. We can also confirm that both containers can communicate with each other. Now let us connect to docker exec. So we are connecting to the my app container, my app container. I think something is missing. Docker exec, my app container. Oh, that should be bash. Now we have connected to the container. Let's see what we've got inside. This is what we've got inside the container. From here we can ping the other container. The name is my Postgres. Sometimes it might happen that your container doesn't have the ping installed. To do that, we can actually update apt update apt install iputils ping. So sometimes if you find that it's not installed, you can install it yourself. Now the installation has completed. Now let us test our Postgres again. Yes. Now as you can see, we are able to ping Postgres from this container. So this means that both containers are communicating with each other. So we can go on and stop it. Now you have seen how you can link two containers together in order for them to communicate with each other. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you.